Hi there! Are you excited for the new movie? Let's learn how to make the newest character, pizza with sunglasses. The full recipe is found in the description. Are you ready to get started?
Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Add 4 cups of flour into a large mixing bowl, 3 teaspoons of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and mix it all together with a fork. Then add 2 packets of pizza yeast. Oops! Mix well. Add 1 1/3 cup of hot tap water. Mix it all together. You might need a parent's help. Now, add 1/3 cup of olive oil and stir it all in. Now the fun part, put a little flour on the counter. And knead away. This is fun, kind of like Play-Doh. After 4 minutes of kneading, place the dough back in the bowl. And let it rise for about 10 minutes. Yay! Now it's ready to shape. This recipe makes 2 12-inch pizzas. Cut it in half and save for the next pizza. Let's shape it into a circle. That looks pretty good. Now add pizza sauce with a large spoon, starting in the center. Have a parent place it in the oven to pre-cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the sunglasses out of a zucchini. Probably best to let a parent carve it out. Don't forget to remove the pizza after 5 minutes. We're using Ray-Bans as a guide. That looks pretty good. Now my favorite part, cheese. Add pepperoni. Don't forget the sunglasses. Drizzle a little olive oil on top and put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Oh yeah, perfection. Don't cut the sunglasses.
And now for the final taste test. Pizza perfection!
Don't forget your sunglasses.